I will show you how to merge two PDF files into one. You can even merge multiple PDF files this way. Open your web browser. I'm using Opera. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, whatever you want. Search Simple PDF EU tool. Click on this first link. Select Choose a PDF file. Select the first PDF file. Click on Open. Click on this plus button. Select the second PDF file. Click on Open. If you want to add a third PDF file, again click on this plus button and select the third PDF file. You can even rearrange the PDFs. Click here. Once you are satisfied, click on Download. Give it a name, PDF files. Save. And that's it.